So I built a free loudness plugin using only Ableton stock plugins, and today it's going into the ring against the heavyweights, FabFilter Pro L2, DMG Limitless, Ozone, and more. So we're going to do a blind listening test right now. If you can't hear a meaningful difference, you might not need to spend hundreds of dollars. And the best part, you can download my rack for free right now. Now, getting release-ready loudness is usually the part where producers get stuck or spend a fortune. But the truth is, stock tools are powerful if you know how to stack them. So I built Easy Loudness, a custom Ableton rack designed to get your tracks loud and finished without the mastering engineer headache. Now, I designed this for producers, not mastering engineers. We want to finish fast and move on. All right, put your headphones on. Let's see if your ears are as expensive as your plugins. Everything you're about to hear is perfectly level matched, so loudness won't trick your ears. I decided to do all of these at -6 dB LUFS, so we're really pushing the limiters and giving them a strong challenge. Now I'm going to play the same loop through 5 different limiters. One of them is my free Easy Loudness rack. The others are the industry standards. Remember, you can grab the free download below and try this on your own tracks after the video. Now don't skip ahead. Seriously, pick your winners before I reveal the plugins. All right, got your winner? Lock it in. So they all sound pretty similar, right? Maybe you notice some subtle differences, but they're all in the same ballpark. Now, if you picked letter D, that was Easy Loudness. If you picked one of the other ones, that makes total sense too, because the differences you're hearing here are mostly in that final 1 to 2%. Now, the core loudness and punch you're hearing from Easy Loudness comes from how the tools inside it are used. Everyone with Ableton already has these tools. The difference isn't access, it's knowing what to dial in and why. And remember, these were level matched. A louder track will always fool your ears, so I made sure it was a fair fight. So this proves my philosophy. You don't need more gear, you need better decisions. Workflow and skills win every time. Now, as the name says, the plugin is easy to use. Simply turn up the loudness knob for more loudness. But you might also be wondering about this knob. This is the level match feature, and it's super useful. When it's on, the volume stays consistent while you push the limiter harder. So you're not judging loudness, you're judging the character of the limiting. So you can turn it on and you can push the rack and listen carefully. If it starts sounding crushed or distorted, you've gone too far. So back it off until it starts to sound transparent. You can check this by clicking bypass to check if it's sounding transparent or close enough. When it sounds like it's doing almost nothing, that's usually the sweet spot. Then you can simply turn the level match off and the volume comes back up. Now you've got loudness without fooling yourself. Having said that, you should still ideally use meters and aim for something sensible, maybe around about -8 LUFS in your drop, or maybe -6 if you really want to push it for your genre. But this just lets you dial it in quickly with your ears. It takes 2 seconds and you don't need to open anything else. All right, and if you're curious, here's what's actually inside. It's just a deliberate combination of clipping into limiting, set up in a specific way, plus the level matching feature as well too. Now, you could absolutely build this yourself in 20 minutes, or you can just download it below and start using it right away. I'll put the link in the description and pin a comment as well. And yes, it's completely free. Drop it on your master bus and start finishing your tracks faster today. I'll also send you a few extra mixdown tips after you grab it. And let me know in the comments, did you pick the expensive plugin or the free one? And yeah, if you want to really understand how to use your tools properly, finish great songs fast, and get a release-ready pro sound, hit subscribe. I'm Bass Clef, and I'll see you in the next one.